It's Dreadlock Day.
And they're not picking up their phone. Sup, snowbirds?
Good morning, guys.
Swati dong chow. Cup. I think that's how you say it. That means good morning, hopefully.
It's Dreadlock Day.
Dreadlock Day. So we're gonna get a grab and I'm gonna roll around and find stuff to do while Meagan sits staring at her herded.
For 8 to 10 hours.
So, we're grabbing a grab. Let's go.
Okay, so after a 40-minute grab ride, we have arrived. And it's going down, guys. Hello. No problem.
Sawadika.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Gay.
Gay? Meagan.
Meagan.
Yeah.
Justin.
Justin.
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. Inside.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Have you had dreadlocks before? You? Have you had dreadlocks?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you?
Yes.
Alrighty, so while she goes and gets that done, I'm gonna go do some shopping. Try to find myself some shorts and a Chang shirt. Gonna get a San Miguel shirt in the Philippines. Oh, I'm so sad. But first is ATM and SIM card. The guy said there's a shopping mall or a super center close by. So I get to go explore Bangkok for a bit. All by my lonesome. You guys are coming with though. Not quite alone, sort of, kinda. Let's go. ATM accessible. Now I'll try and find my way to the supermarket, mega mart, mall kind of thing. Talking to a camera all by myself. Oh yeah. Hello. You have SIM cards? SIM card?
Hello.
You have SIM card?
SIM card?
Yeah.
Want to call you tap?
Oh. Does it have data?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Telephone. Good.
Which one?
ID ค่ะพาสปอร์ตหรือor
Is internet?
internet.
Alright, first 2 places unsuccessful. People at 7-Eleven pointed me across the street to a phone store. Hopefully they can help me out. It's a big language barrier, but we're trying. We're trying.
หรอ
Yeah, I do.
มันจะมีโทรฟรี 24 ชั่วโมง
More.
ใช่ใช่
Higher. Well, still no luck. I'm gonna have a food break because there's some delicious smelling street food across the street. Hopefully I don't die like a frogger. And this. So this delicious plate of food was only $1. Yeah. That was a delicious first meal of Thailand street food. I think Megan's gonna be a little jealous because I got some food without her. It was a huge portion too. So I'm gonna go back to the room, use some Wi-Fi, and look up which actual SIM card I need. Try and surprise Megan with a Thailand smoothie, which we've been so excited for. It's just a regular smoothie made with ice cream, but they're just not the same in Indonesia or the Philippines. So we've been very excited for it. Visit all the street food. Hello. All right, smoothie time. So I'm outside their place. They're not picking up their phone. I assume because they're busy with Megan's hair.
Six and a half hours later.
How's your head feeling?
Sore, tender.
Yeah, really hard.
I love it.
Style.
I love it.
The dream team.
Yeah.
The Dreadlock dream team.
Oh gosh, they're so nice.
You have a beautiful smile.
Oh. Thank you so much. They're beautiful. I love them.
Yeah. Giá from Meagan for Justin Bieber.
Yeah. Huh? Okay, so this was done by Nanny and Gay, Bonita Dreadlocks, Bangkok. So I'll link it all below for you guys if you want to give her a shout and get some awesome dreadlocks. They did an amazing job. Oh wow. Beautiful.
We're back at our hotel.
This, ow!
Oops, sorry.
It's so tender and sore. It really hurt when she was doing the crown. So I did the back comb and crochet method and added extensions, as you can see. And then she put in these cool beads all over my hair.
Gave us a couple extra picks so I can fix them.
And
after I learned how to do it, I tried to watch, but they're just so fast. I know the technique, but I just don't have the skill, so I have to learn.
Are you used to it yet?
Yeah, I'm super used to it. I'm not quite used to it, but it's awesome. I love them. You guys probably don't know this, but I wanted her to get dreads probably longer than she's wanted to get dreads. So.
I don't think I'm getting any sleep tonight.
Nope. But anyways, we're back at our hotel, as you can see. And we'll see you guys tomorrow when we pick up her sister.
Oh my god, she's gonna freak out. Love you, Carrie.
Got these,
Good night, guys.
Night.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, that's a dirty lambs.
Ooh, what the fuck is that? Sup, snowbirds!
Okay, do that again.
Oh, that was some dumb bleh. We're heading to the biggest mall in Bangkok.
MBK.
MBK. This tuk-tuk behind us just says 65 kilometers, 60 baht, which is what it should be. But it's getting snagged. Damn it.